What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is ASA Studio, channel for photographers and music producers. We're here again with another wonderful tutorial. We are in Photoshop and we're going to be doing some retouching, baby retouching photo. As you can see on the screen, we have a little baby, cute little girl, and we'll be doing some frequency separation on this photo to retouch this photo. But first of all, let's try and analyze what's actually wrong with the photo. If I zoom in, you can see our hands right here not actually in the same color with the other part of our arms, and you can see some blemishes on our face. So those are the things we are going to try to correct using frequency separation. Although I've carried it, I took it to capture one, and then I edited the skin tone, and yet how it looks. So we have this. Let me zoom in a little bit. I blended the skin tone so with capture one, and just the color editor tool using the skin tone panel and the uniformity and the color hue saturation panel on the capture one. For those of you who know capture one very well, so I actually use the uniformity slider. So I think I'm going to create a tutorial if you guys need a tutorial, but here we're going to do some frequency separation. All right, so let's dive right into it. I'm going to get rid of, okay, let's just leave it. Let's start with this one, take it to the top, and then I'm going to rasterize the layer. All right, so we're going to make duplicate of this one twice, because that's, if you have your frequency separation, you can actually run it, but I just want to go through the step one by one just because of people who don't know how to do frequency separation. So I'm going to name this one color, that is going to carry our color, and name this one texture, which is going to take our texture. So now turn off the texture layer, go to the color, select the color layer, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and then blur it somewhere like 4.8. Looks fine. Let's take 4.8, whichever one, 4.5. Okay, then texture, I'm going to go to image, turn on the texture layer, go to image, apply image, and then we're going to subtract the texture from the color. So for the layer, select color. For the blending mode, select subtract, and leave everything just like this if it is an 8-bit image. So click on OK. So you can see very clearly that we've actually selected the texture, separated the texture and the color. So now changing this texture layer blending mode to linear light gives us back our image. I'm just going to select the two and then group them together, and I'm going to open the group. So what we're going to do, for the texture layer, you're going to use your close stamp tool. For the color layer, you're going to use your mixer tool brush. And so to fix the blemishes, and yes, the blemishes on our face, select the texture layer, select the clone stamp tool, and then use Alt to sample a place close to the blemishes, the pimples. Well, little babies don't have pimples, and then fix it. Hold down Alt, click, and then go to where the blemishes is, and then click right, left click. So select a place closer, click, hold down Alt, and then click, hold down Alt, select, release, go to where the blemishes is, and then left click. So I'm just going to keep fixing the photo till we come back. So Alt, click, and then just like so. So hold down Alt and then right click, hold down Alt, sample, hold down Alt, click, and then just like so till you get everything okay with. You can also use the align tool, but the align tool makes you if I click on align, you don't need to start sampling everywhere. You just get close to where you want to sample and then samples, but I don't like using it. Now we finish with the frequency, attending to the texture, fixing the texture. If I turn it off, you're going to see our before and then after. You see a lot of changes have been made and actually fix the little blemishes on our face. Now it's time to blend the skin tone. You can see here and here are in the same thing, but we just need to blend it with the mixer tool. So click on the color layer, go to the mixer tool and watch out for the highlight. Mostly you need to be careful when doing this. So set your brush to 9, load 75, mix 90, and then just follow the settings. Weight can be 9 to 15, or sometimes I put it at 13. So just blend in with the tool just like so, and you see a little change. You can see how the changes are. The skin is now uniform. And here also I'm going to blend it in. So try as much as possible to follow the way our face is. And I'll decrease the size of the brush just because I want this place to be more the same. So I'm just going to keep doing this till I get okay, till I'm okay with. Now we're done with the blending of the skin tone. So let's check out our before and after. So we have this as before and then we have this. You can see how smooth our skin tones and now looks all over. So these are before and then these are after. So just a little bit of improvement, and that can make a big change in your photos. So this is where I'm going to stop. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you want to get notified when we post new photos, new tutorials, you can actually smash the notification button. For those of you that are new and you find the channel helpful, the content we post, don't forget to subscribe. For more videos like this will be coming. Alright, so thank you very much for staying with us. Once again, this is ASAR Studio.